Same order, post after defect circular.
My lord, this petition is for cancellation of exam which is scheduled for the day after tomorrow. My lord, and the
You must
faults
clear
have
the
been,
defect.
my
ये
lord,
क्या है defect इसमें?
defects have been pointed out at 9 p.m. my lord. So I was not able to cure
When did
them.
you file it?
I will tomorrow,
What time you filed it?
yesterday morning, my lord. Yesterday morning.
ठीक है, क्या है बोलिए?
My lord, by this petition, we are challenging order annexure P1, ma'am, my lord, which is passed on 9/2/22. So, by this notification, my lord, PSC have
What is your prayer?
my lord, PSC have
What is your
advertised the
prayer? Kindly read
yeah.
your prayer, first prayer.
My lord, writ order or direction in nature of mandamus or any other appropriate writ order and direction for enforcing order or of Honorable High Court passed in writ petition number 6346 20/2022 for its order dated 27/4/22.
क्या है वो?
My lord, order has been passed at the
कहाँ है वो order?
annexure. Kindly go to my lord page number
हाँ,
63.
see?
63. Para fifth, my lord. Thus, since the interim order
Reservation shall not be more than
14%.
हाँ,
Kindly go to my lord P1, page number 15. My lord, total number of vacancies is 283, in which
what is your prayer?
my lord, they are granting OBC 31.44% reservation, which is against the order passed by the honorable court. In the
क्या है?
Lord, in fact, this matter has come up in supplementary list, Lord. I am not having the paperwork.
No, everywhere you are taking 14% only.
The Lordship's order is there, sir.
Then what is saying? आपका एडवर्टाइजमेंट कहाँ है बताइए?
yeah, my lord, page number 15.
15.
Yeah.
कहाँ है पढ़िए?
Last line, my lord.
हाँ,
कुल पद 68 for the general category, 32 for the SC category, 65 for the ST category, 89 for the OBC category, and 29 for the EWS category. Total vacancies are, my lord, 283, in which 89 are reserved for the OBC category, which are 31.44%, which is way more.
is that correct?
Lord, I don't have the paperwork, Lord. It's come up in the supplementary. Could it be on Monday?
My lord, exam is scheduled for day after tomorrow.
Are you following the reservation or no?
But the advertisement is by PSC, Lord. Could it be after lunch, Lord? I'll make a statement. Lord,
Just tell us we are not sitting.
May I make a submission?
Who are you?
Lord, I'm for PSC.
Yes.
Actually, I'm not having the paperwork, my lord. But my lord, the fact is that the calculations which my learned friend is referring, my lord, actually these calculations would never match with the number of reservation, my lord. Because of the fact, my lord, because the reservation is calculated on the basis of cadre strength, my lord. And we as PSC receive the demand letter from the concerned department of the state, my lord. And that demand letter denotes all the number of vacancies on posts which they require, my lord.
My lord, same thing. My lord, same thing happened with a vacancy in 2020.
Correct. This is only for examination. Huh?
Yes, my lord.
So let them take notice. In case they are violating that, we can always deal with them.
My lord, examination already stuck 2019, 2020. They are not going anywhere, my lord.
तो इसको भी stuck करना है.
ये भी स्टक हो जाएगा my lord, अगर तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ प्रॉपर क्योर करके फिर इसको एग्जामिनेशन को कंडक्ट कराया जाए.
ये takes notice for R1, so and so for R2, call after 2 weeks.
My lord,
अरे एग्जाम तो होने दो. तो बच्चे लोग पढ़
my lord, एग्जाम के बाद स्टूडेंट्स को ही तो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है my lord इसमें.
लिखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, खाली रिजर्वेशन का है ना?
मतलब
सब लोग को लिखना पड़ता है कि नहीं?
3 एग्जाम्स ऑलरेडी स्टक किए हुए पड़े हैं.
Please understand, reservation Sunday तो नहीं होगा ना.
संडे में एग्जाम है मैंने.
एग्जाम है तो एग्जाम लिखो पहले, जाके पढ़ो एग्जाम के लिए.
मतलब 2019 का जो एग्जाम है उसमें भी हमने
वो
चेंजेस नहीं किए हैं अभी
सभी
तक.
का जो कैलकुलेशन आ रहा है
जी.
वो बाद में होता है, अभी नहीं.
मेंस का इंटरव्यू का सब स्टेज पे अटके पड़े हैं मैलॉर्ड पीएससी के एग्जाम.
For the next question. In the meanwhile, all defaults to be cleared.
Yeah.
Good.
Public.
I'm obliged, sir.
Good.